screen. So I would introduce myself and I would talk about a dish that I really enjoy related to my ethnicity. So my father was born in Mexico City. My mother was born here in California, but she is also Mexican as well. So we have a lot of Mexican dishes in the house, and I put chicken mole as my dish that I enjoy. You can change this screen capture so you can move it, and so whatever you record would be within the certain area that you define. So you can change the size of it, crop it, do all kinds of stuff with it. Okay, so if I was recording this, that's what I would want to do. And then I would talk about the dish itself. It's a chocolate-based sauce. You could see it's typically sprinkled with sesame seeds because it has that nutty flavor. The sauce itself, even though you think of chocolate as sweet, you would actually see a little bit of sweetness mixed in with savory. So there's coriander, cinnamon, other spices that are within the mole, but it is a chocolate-based sauce. So in this case, it's chicken mole, and it's served. The sauce is served over the chicken. Okay, so this is what you would do when you're done recording. So let's stop the recording. Oh, this is from the Food Network because you did have to show a picture. Okay.